one who picked this wallpaper, that bed, that...
You have no respect for her.
She's dead, Blake.
Here? Who's been hosting Duolingo? I want to tell you that you pirate Duolingo. You never listen to me.
588-2300 Empire.
Today.
That's great if that's all you're here to see, thanks for stopping by, but what other jokes can I make about the cultural impact of DreamWorks animation?
Okay, you asked for this. This is the end of you. Now you will stay in jail for 5 years. Goodbye forever, criminal.
You are not a hurricane!
Babu, babu.
What?
You call this?
Luigi has no hat, no nose, no arms, no legs.
No dick, no balls, and probably no butthole since this guy feeds on radiation.
Not good.
चले लू कमाल चल रे Hello.
Oh no, it looks like you pirated SM Toons.
Lemon? Curious, you touch it, and then... Whoa, what's this? Who blew that whistle? Why did the Wumpa Fruit fly away? Why is there a timer?
Piracy is a serious crime, according to the copyright law.
Tom Holland. What the fuck? Man, I don't want to talk yo.
For more information, go to www.youtube.com. Piracy for your own safety. Turn off your TV, please and thank you.
Why are you still here? Didn't you listen to us earlier? Again, please turn off the television, else you will be sentenced to prison. So please turn off your television and get an authorized copy of Baby First.
Nadie nos evita.
This copy is unauthorized and illegal. You're still here. What are you?
And I will never let you go again. I'm joking.
of you. You're so close to becoming a criminal. This channel is for learning, not for pirating or committing crimes.
Happy birthday. Suck my cock. Happy birthday. Suck my cock.
That's it. This is the third strike. 2 more strikes and you're going to prison.
Don't litter, please. Oh yeah? Who gonna stop me?
Hi, how would you like to save $200 a year on your energy bill? Meh. Excuse me?
Man, why they always gotta disable the cool stuff with the AI apps? What if I want to get a bit freaky with the AI?
Boys, this app has disabled that.
You can now finally have an AI girlfriend!
It's real if you want it to be.
I have a bit of a demonstration. Can I get a look at your... Boom, done. I told you. And mate, it's easy. All you have to do is fill out a couple questions about your preferences and then get on chatting. Mate, you can chat about anything.
Coffee.
The channel that you have been using to watch What's with Pants. I cannot stand you leaving your cable box and television on for the second time. Piracy is a serious crime, and even if you have nothing to do with a pirated channel, we still need you to help us by taking action. I will say this for the last time. For more info, go to www.teletoon.com/antipiracy.
There's the owl.
How many times did I tell you to turn off your television and cable box? I told you a lot of times. What?
Sorry, I lost my control. Anyways, we had suspicions this whole time, and finally after 15 hours we finally figured out who the pirate is. It's you.
I have to share with you.
I'm SpongeBob. What?
How can you even say that?
Shut up, Chris.
That's right. You thought you could get away with it. Now
I'm a soup.
fun in your new cell, you know, good pirating ass bitch.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
Hi! Today, I'm going to paint with yellow. I feel like painting a
Oops, the anti-piracy call. Please check out www.babyfirsttv.com for more information. Please turn off your phone get the baby first plushies. He was a good time since 2006. Thank you for the call. See you soon.
3. 3. 3. 3. 3.
Peppa Pig.
I'm the sheriff of the town, and I take care of my people. I'm the sheriff of the town. I go driving.